Dr. Seth. What is the sequence it should be the better? Like, brushing, flossing, water pick. So which way, what do you do first? A lot of people have different ideas. So I just want to know which way is the better.
So my suggestion is, firstly, you should be brushing twice a day. So mornings, usually when people are in a rush, if possible, you can try and brush after your breakfast so that you have now removed not only the night's plaque, but also whatever you've eaten from breakfast. If that is not a possibility or it's something that you don't care for, then you can brush before breakfast. And I had addressed this last time as well. I absolutely recommend electric toothbrushes. So you would use your electric toothbrush. You would. I personally do not floss in the morning. I'm too much in a rush. And flossing cannot be done when in a rush. The brushing should go on for about 2 minutes. Then you rinse your mouth and you clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner, not the toothbrush. And that's that for your morning. If in the afternoon after you've eaten, if you have a toothbrush handy and can brush, great. If not, just rinse your mouth. It's not essential to brush at that point. At night, you do want to brush, then floss, and then clean your tongue.
And when do you use the water pick?
So it's either floss or water pick. It's one of the two. So or brush, water pick, clean tongue.
Okay.
So in that order, brushing usually comes first. You don't want to, you want to remove all the majority plaque with the brush, and then go in and do the finer one with either your your floss or your toothpick.
Yeah, because in the morning I brush 4 times a day. Before breakfast, after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner.
Oh wow! Okay.
But the only thing, since I started using the water pick, my dentist said my gums, my gums are always had been good, but she said now this is much more healthier and much better.
Excellent, excellent.
So, and I really like it. And because if I don't do that, I feel like something is wrong. And same thing with the cleaning the tongue. It's always been like brushing, clean the tongue and the water pick.
Yes, exactly.
But I have another question. But what I have noticed, I'm not satisfied. So I just want to see if everything is clean. So I take the toothpick and I go in every teeth and there is some white plaque comes out,
That is exactly what a floss removes far better than you said it, just you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly what a floss removes far better than a water pick.
Right. So what I start doing
tiny, pesky, sticky stuff.
Right. So what I start doing now, because when I see that, so after the water pick, I do floss, but still I'm not satisfied. I still use the toothpick a little bit. So once in a while from somewhere it comes up, sometimes it does not.
Yeah, and I'm glad you addressed toothpick. On the topic of toothpick, I can't tell you how many dental emergencies I have in the year where the toothpick, a splinter of the toothpick has embedded into the gum. These toothpicks are not made from the best materials, and a lot of these splinters do sort of come off and get embedded into the gum. So I'm not such a major fan of toothpicks.
No, I have that, the rubber tip.
Oh, the rubber tip. Yes, yes.
I use that.
That's different. Yes.
I keep in my purse also. Suppose sometimes I cannot brush after dinner, lunch.
Yeah. That's not a toothpick. The rubber tips are good. Yeah.
Rubber tip.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Of course, my pleasure.